Well, hello. My name is Andy Merrick, and this is my vlog series, the first day of the rest of your life. As recently, my life took a little bit of a turn. I lost my job at 21 years, and now I am going forward on a new adventure, trying to figure out what I want to be when I grow up. I hope that you'll join me. You'll see some of the troubles that you go through as you try to figure out what you're going to do for the rest of your life when you're in your mid-40s and everything changes. This should be fun. There should be lots of laughs. There's probably going to be some tears. And heck, who knows? Maybe we'll learn something together. I look forward to seeing you on the other side of the lens.
Today is a great day. Go ahead and get a couple little projects finished around the house. Well, I'm going to show you what I had to do to replace this little piece of siding that got damaged during the remodel project when a tree landed on my roof. It's been a couple years, but I think it's about time I got to this project. I got a little extra time on my hands. Since it's been a few years since I did this project or got started with it, I need to make sure I take some measurements so that the piece of siding I'm going to use is the one that I had pre-cut, kind of the fit in here, so I was able to maximize my my materials. I'm going to go ahead and staple up this piece of synthetic felt. Use as a template to trace out this really odd shaped cut I've got to make. I'm going to use a utility knife, just trim it down. I can then use it as a pattern on top of this piece of siding, so I only have to cut it once and really don't have to mess around too much with the main shape. There's going to be some small trimming because there's a few intricate pieces that need to be done down at the bottom of the roof there where the old siding comes together. It's a lot easier than trying to figure out the angles, run a measuring tape, calculate where you're at. Just go ahead and get a template. A piece of old synthetic felt for roofing will work great, as will construction paper or red rosin paper. You can make that template fairly inexpensive. That way you're not going to waste a $20, $30 sheet of plywood that's used for siding when you're cutting it if you happen to make a mistake. I cannot stress the importance of using both eye protection and hearing protection when doing home improvement projects. It can take just a split second. You could lose your eyesight, or under continuous use of loud power tools, you end up losing your hearing. So make sure you use appropriate safety equipment whenever you're doing a project. It always feels good when that piece fits just like you planned. A little more trimming, a couple of coats of paint, and we'll be done. Thank you for watching. If you happen to like what you've seen, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and maybe share this with your friends. Help me grow this YouTube channel.